Hey guys, you're probably wondering about that flip phone that I have. I have it right here. I put everything back in the box just so I could like unbox it, because what happened was I had all of the videos into one, but I somehow lost the videos. So, because I was using CapCut, it doesn't save automatic. It doesn't really save the videos when they put them in there, so I have to do it all over again. but anyways, here goes. We have the cord, which it doesn't make sense because plugs into the wall. It's not like a USB. Oh, come on. Stop being... Thank you. Anyways, yeah, it's USB micro, almost a mini. Said the wrong thing. I'll get to the phone in a minute and the accessories. So we have all of these like brochures and whatever these are called. So we have track phone, terms and conditions, no, about your phone, and it's also in, is this Spanish? Yep, Spanish, and then flip it over, English. So it just says stuff about like call key, navigation keys, KaiOS, interesting, your phone, camera, track phone, start here, quick start guide, that's like a road map. I'm just gonna, oh, come on, stop falling off. I'm gonna put all this stuff back in here, because I'm gonna keep everything from this phone in case I want to sell it, which I don't think I ever will sell it, but I might one day. I don't know. I might have like 20 million phones. So the accessories, none of these actually. Oh no, it fell out. Hold on. No, stop. Stop. Hold on. I gotta put this. Oh, I hate how it is. Anyways, we have this cord, which didn't come with it. We have this cord, which is like headphone extender, didn't come with it. And we have this, which I bought alongside it. So, and the hinge is broken, so we just like kind of take it off like that. It's a USB micro what? A micro SD card adapter, and here's the 8 gig. Can you even see that? There we go. But anyways, now onto the phone that came in this, because I don't remember what was in here originally, so I just put that random stuff in it. We have the back cover. Probably shouldn't show the barcodes, because I don't know what people could do with them, but you could do something, I'm guessing. Come on. Oh, it's stuck, stupid. I ripped it anyways. It has an Apple sticker on it, because I have Apple stickers and SIM stickers. We have the phone, and we have the battery. And before we put the battery in, we gotta take off the sticker on the front and the sticker on the inside, and that looks disgusting. I'm sorry, I tried to put it back on. Then this goes in the back, and then ew, I don't know what that was. We've had like problems with bugs, like our cat Nibbles finds bugs, which is good, but I don't know. So looking around the phone, we have this button, which if you tap it 3 times, it's kind of like a favorite call button. We have volume rocker. Kind of pushes both weird. Anyways, we got a microphone here and a microphone here. Oh, I've got the cameras up here on the new iPad. We got USB mini and a headphone jack. We have a 2 megapixel camera. I think it's 2 megapixels. I don't know. On the inside we got the, can you even see that? The speaker. Speaker on the back. It's like speakerphone, but this is like, I don't know. Then we have all these buttons. Anyways, I don't even know if it's charged. Let's hope it is. Alcatel, KaiOS. I might have to flip the video so you guys could actually read everything that's on here. While this is turning on, it's gonna take a little while. Put all this stuff back in here. Still turning on. Come on, get on. Oh my god. Still turning on. It's taking a while. That's what you get when you buy I think it was 15 bucks on Amazon. It was either 15 or 20, but still, that's not that good. Okay, it turned on, but I'm still doing this. We'll give you a minute. Okay, so we entered a 4-digit code. I'm not gonna show you my code. Why would I do that? It says 1201. This is a background. It's like a beach. Yeah, you do it like this. You can't see it. You do it like this. Like, I'm gonna try to do it like this. So we got. Hold on. We have store, gallery, video, utilities. Look how many apps. Look at the pages of apps. I'm just gonna go down. You guys can just see how many apps I have on here. And then if we go to here, there's even more apps. Is it upside down? Games. Oh, that says gems. I'm like, I thought it's supposed to say games. Anyways, we got even more apps. Great. I can't even see it. There we go. There's just so many. And that's it. But, the camera quality on here is not that bad. I mean, you kind of see how it's kind of bad. And videos on this are not that great. Like, even if I put it up to the highest setting, it's only 480p, which isn't the greatest, but I think the camera's 2 megapixels. So it's a voice recorder on it. It has file manager. I'm so sorry. Anyways, I have like all of these folders, which I'm not gonna show you what's in them, because I have stuff, but then we have this. So that's great. I do not have this set up with the internet because, it's really hard to enter a password on this thing. So, store, nope, oh my god. Oh, I was gonna go to store, I'm like, I don't have Wi-Fi. Settings, let's check my, come on. So yeah, with it's gonna take a little bit to load. 4 gigs internet. Yeah, this is a 4 gig phone, not 4G like 4G LTE. 4 gigabytes. So you see, it's 1.84 gigabytes, 1.99 gigabytes, and system is 1.66 gigs. Whoops, I forgot you could. That's great. External is 5.55 gigs out of 7.34, even though it's an 8 gig card. That doesn't make any sense. Battery. Funny number. Anyways, I'm sorry. It even shows all your downloads, which is kind of weird. What is this? In 5 years? In 5 years. Is this like... Oh, I can't show that. I almost showed my actual phone number there. Oh no. Hi. Date and time. January 1st, 2019. That's not where we're at. Oh, we're in June. Oh my god, I forgot. I forgot we were in June. I forgot it's a summer home. Oh, where's my device? Hold on. I don't know what day it is. Oh, I have my watch thing. Sorry about that. Does that say September? Oh, Sunday, June 16th. I'm like, I know it's June. I don't know what day in June it is. 2024. The time is not 12:05 p.m. It's weird. It defaults to January 1st, 2019. Oh god, here come the notifications. January 1st, 2019 at 12 p.m. Like, why isn't it 12 a.m.? That doesn't make any sense. 2:03 p.m. Come on. Not 3:02, 2:03. Chicago, format, yup. Notices. App notices. Oh, so you can like turn on and off different things, which is actually pretty cool. There's not that many that require notices. You have unread notices. Thanks for telling me that. Clear, we don't need that. But I got some videos and stuff on here. I gotta find them real quick. I took a 35-minute video a few days ago. I don't know why. Where's all my... Hold on. I'm trying to find my videos that aren't... Is that the Sims replay? What? Oh my god, I took an hour video. Why would I do that? 50-minute video. 30-minute... Am I just trying to lose storage space on here? There's all these videos. Here we go. History of a fork. What? What? Oh, these are... Come on. There's also, like, some Chinese stuff on here, but it'll be copyrighted because it's, like, music and stuff. But it's something I hope will not get copyrighted is... this. Yeah, that's like a Sims 2 thing. Okay, stop. Even if what it says September 2007. I was like a month old. What? 2000. That's a weird image. I'm not gonna click on that. But it has some weird stuff in 2006. Anyways, let's go to my camera roll, which is right next to it. What? Scanning for photos. Oh, that's a display case. There's also like cookies and cake and stuff that I took pictures of. Why? I have to rotate this for some reason. Can I rotate it, please? There we go. I fixed it. Because like there's these really cool cakes that I saw. Chocolate cake bite single. These look. If you could see them. There we go. And these, oh, I gotta try one of these one day. Ooh, yeah, I have to try one of these. And also this, which is pretty cool. And a picture of me playing Genshin Impact on the device that's recording this, my iPad 10th generation. And it is the best thing ever. I love my iPad. I might make a video on it, I might not. I don't know. What are all these? Flowers and cute images. I'm trying to look for a nice image to set as my back. No, I'm gonna keep my background also. Oh, I can't show that. I was gonna show my friend, but I don't think she wants to be shown on here. So I'm not gonna do that because I'm a good person. October 2022, 2071, 2019. Oh, and there's like this thing. How do I zoom? There's this thing. It's Windows 95, apparently. That's funny. That's real funny. 2019, March, July, 2014, 2010. There's some really pretty images on here. April of 2005. This phone was made in 2021 anyways. I'm gonna see what other things I could do on here. Yeah, there's a music player. I have all my music on the card because this phone doesn't have a lot of storage. This phone and the card is less than my S5. My S5 is 16. This is 4 plus 8, which is 12. Clock, calendar, magic photo. What is that again? I have so many. Oh, memory cleaner. We need that. Wow. Why am I making a video on this again? Did they just close out everything? Excuse me? That doesn't make any sense. 0, 0. Yeah, that's 2:09 p.m. Yeah, I wonder why. So, there's also this really cool thing I found called an LED banner, and I want, hold on, let me change the color. Pink, violet. Extra slow. What? Wait, what happens if I do this? Oh, that hurts my eyes. Medium. Let's try that. That's still too big. That's what she said. Anyways, I'm sorry. We have this cool little. Oh, you can't even see it. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's a very nice little LED bed. There's so many apps you could get on here, but not on Android. Even though this is Android, it's Android, but it's not Android. There's so many apps you can get on here, not on Android. So many apps on Android that you cannot get on here without like doing stuff. I don't want to do that kind of stuff because I don't want to. Get anyone caught on me. Anyways, there's also like basic emoticons. Oh, you can't even see it. Shorter shorthand. Sushi match. Yeah, there's also like TV and stuff that you can watch on here, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work because I don't have Wi-Fi. Except Flip TV. Yeah, go away. You could also get like Baka 9 player. What is this? An error occurred. That doesn't make any sense. What decision roulette? Oh yeah, this is a cool one. Where you could like put in like stuff like I'm gonna make one real quick. SIMS. SIMS. Sims 3. Sims 4. Not that word. That was not a very nice word it put. Sims 3, Sims 4, Roblox. And I actually had to add that word to the dictionary on here because it, MCPE, which you don't, that's obsession. What? I didn't type that. Stop, I don't like these words. Can I type it in, please? Yes, spell. MCPE. Yep, MCPE, which is Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's just called Minecraft now. It makes me sad. Anyways, so like if I do this, title, I have to give it a title. Oh, I gotta add Skyrim. I play that now and it's so much fun with mods. Skyrim. Skysm, what? SKYRIM, not N, M. So title will be games. Save. So like we spin it now, and like what game do you want to play? And then it spins. What are these noises? And it's like, now I'm gonna be playing Minecraft, but decision MCPE. You can see that. It's actually pretty. Oh, you could save them. Did it not save it? Oh, never mind. I'm an idiot. Color shape. What is I don't even know what these games are. Honestly. Color shape. 1 star. What? Is it like broken? That's very stupid. Delicious cake. That sounds weird. Spin the wheel, cut the fruit. It's like spin the wheel, cut the fruit. This game doesn't work. Stop. Burger shop. I'm gonna try to do it like this. I'm probably not gonna be able to. Oh god, I can't do it. I'm gonna turn off the sound so that it must make burgers in order to score points. You want a plain burger, so that is atrocious. It's just a burger and a, oh gosh, a burger. It's just a bun, a burger, and another burger. That is so terrible. I can't even see what that is, ma'am. Oh god, I'm gonna lose on my second. 8, please. Lettuce. Oh, I got it right. Imagine stressing out over making burgers. Why are you so angry? Shut up. God. Okay, lettuce, cheese, onions, not onions, what is it? Imagine raging in the flip phone. Okay, this, oh, not that, oh. Oh, I lost. I really don't care. Car parking, what is car parking 3D? Wow, nice JPEG. Rendered ideas. Turn off the sound. Play normal, expert, or master. Shouldn't, like, I don't know. Level 1, okay. God, it's like so weird. It's like scrunched. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh god, I'm backing up. Shh. Okay. Okay, I think I know how to play this. Sorry, that was a bit close. So it's like you need to. Oh god, how did I do this? Please don't crash on me. Yeah, cleared. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, it has a damage meter there too. I'm gonna try to. Just go. Go. Go! Oh my god. Wow, nice JPEG again. If I just heard thunder, I'm like, it's clear skies. It's clear outside, there's no thunder. If I just crash into this. Great. Well, this doesn't. Oh, it's gonna be reversed for me. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Oh, God. Oh, no. Please don't crash. No, don't crash. Stop. Stop! I actually did it. I'm proud of myself. Oh, God. See this? Oh, so you have to either... Excuse me? How do I back up? How do I back up? Oh, look. Oh, look. A backup cam that I can't back up. Oh, I have to... God, I hate... What do I do? Sorry. Oh, my God. Um... Don't crash. Don't... How are you... Well... Oh, I crashed. Yeah, 'cause I'm gonna... How do I exit? Yep. Oh, God, look at this. Exit. Do you want to exit the game? Yes, I do. I don't want to play that ever again. Coin toss, Wheel of Fortune. Wow, this is going to be a long video. I'm so sorry. Let's see what's in the games folder, even though those are all games and they should be in the games folder. Whack-a-mole. Dragon Light. What is this? It's taking a while. Come on. That metal plate in my head is screwing this up. Sun Grid. Oh, God. It's still loading. Music on. Music. What is going on with the music? Oh, God. Oh, God. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I'm supposed to get these things. How in the hell are you supposed to play this? I must become the dragon hero of legend. Fly through the sky window. Shut up. I'm not trying this again. No, I'm leaving. Let me leave the... Fine, I'll try again. I physically cannot leave this app. I want to... Thank you. Imagine getting hacked by a flip phone app. I'll just show in my background. I don't want this. I want my apps back. Come on. Well, it doesn't seem to want to work right now. Oh, and also one thing. Like, There's like the cool little background. Please activate quick dial. I can't see it. Yeah, I like this phone a lot. The original video for this was gonna be like 2 hours, like my S5 one, because I've pre-recorded and all that. But yeah, this isn't the greatest phone, but you could sign into like YouTube, you could sign into Google. Does this have Chrome, or is it like some weird browser? Is it Chrome? It's called Internet. Well, close enough. But anyways, guys, if you like this, then make sure to like and subscribe then. And I will see you all soon. Bye.